Hi everyone. Today I'll be discussing the study I worked on, a study about a newly identified virus called Bost Neuro S1. This is associated with neurological disease in cattle. This virus is neurotropic, meaning it is specifically it infects the neurons and causes degeneration in the cattle, which leads to brain inflammation and damage in areas like the brainstem, cerebellum, and also the spinal cord. One challenge the researchers faced was isolating the virus in cell structure, which makes the research more difficult. When it came for me to classify the study, I identified it as a cross-sectional descriptive study, which is a part of the observational study category. This classification made sense since the researchers analyzed the brain tissue samples from the cattle and with neurological symptoms at a specific point in time. They also didn't manipulate any variables, but instead of that, they observed the natural progression of the infection in the cattle to understand the relationship between the virus and also the neurological disease. The challenge which was distinguishing was that this study was a cross-sectional study from a case control study, both of which was also observational designs, not an which is and not an experimental design. Initially, I thought it would be a case control study because it was focusing on cattle with specific condition. However, it was more accurately a cross-sectional study since the researchers looked at brain tissues from a group of cattle only once at a single point in time, rather than tracking them over a horizontal period of time. So this example highlights how understanding subtle differences in study design helps classify research. And also it was a great learning experience for me. Thank you.